How to remove minimum age restrictions on Instagram. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily remove the minimum age restriction on your Instagram account. If you're looking to make your profile accessible to a wider audience, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. Open up the Instagram app. You'll need to access your settings, so tap on the settings icon in the top right-hand corner. Once you're in the settings menu, check if you have a professional account. If not, don't worry, you can switch it up easily. Scroll down to Account Type and Tools and click on Switch to Professional Account. Just follow the simple steps to set it up. If you already have a professional account, just head back to the Settings page. Now, once you're back in Settings, scroll all the way down to Creator Tools and Controls. Here's where the magic happens. Tap on Minimum Age. To remove the minimum age restriction, just click on the Remove button next to the default option. If you want to set an age restriction instead, simply click Add and choose the age you want to set for your profile. Once you're happy with your settings, just hit Done in the top right corner. And that's it. You've successfully removed or set the age restriction on your Instagram account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.